Today, we're going to create the appearance of our model. We'll be looking for photos on Pinterest, but you can also do this on Instagram. You'll need to find 4 photos of girls that you more or less like. Then we'll take something unique from each model. Maybe the nose from one, the lips from another, the eyes from someone else, and so on. Basically, we're building a custom combination to create a unique look for our own model. I have already selected a few photos, so I will just show you some examples of which types of photos are worth using and which ones you should avoid. For example, photos like these aren't a good choice because she's not looking at the camera and the image quality isn't very good. You also want to avoid photos where the face isn't clearly visible. A really good example would be this blonde model's photo. This is the kind of image you should be looking for. You get the idea. Choose photos where the face is clearly visible, and ideally they should be close-up shots. Portraits or tight close-ups work best. Next, we move on to Google Flow or any other service that has the Nano Banana model. It's very important to generate the images in a 3:4 aspect ratio. We'll be generating everything in 3:4. Once we've uploaded the photos of the models we liked, we'll use this prompt. I'll leave it in the description. Briefly, what it does is blend the features of all these girls together while also letting us specify exactly which features we want to take from each image. For example, from the first photo, we might take the face structure, from the second photo, the lips, from another one, the nose, and so on. You can customize this prompt however you want. So if you want to take not only the nose and lips, but also, for example, the eyebrow texture, you can add that too. Everything is written in brackets, and overall, it's pretty straightforward and easy to understand. All right, so here are the first drafts. It already looks pretty good, but I want it to look a little different. As we can see, it really did take the face structure from the first photo, the lips from the second one, and the nose as well. Overall, it's working great. Now, we're going to tweak the appearance a bit more and do a couple more generations to see if we can get something even better. I'll speed up this process and then we'll jump straight to the result. Right now, I'm going to work on her hair and also adjust the tan. We have created a unique look that we can now fully work with and use to create any kind of content and photos. Now we're going to create our first piece of content. We'll take any photo of a girl from Pinterest and replace her with our own model. We paste in the prompt. It's actually pretty simple. In the result block, you can change absolutely anything you want, whatever you like or don't like. For example, here I'm going to change the skin texture to be the same as in the second photo. I'll remove this detail, remove this one as well, and this one too. For the quality, I'll set it to match the first photo. Now I'm going to start generating using the photo I like the most. I added a light tan, and it turned out pretty good. We'll go with this version. Now, upload the images. The reference photo should always be in the first position, and your model photo should be in the second position. After that, just click Generate, and the image will start rendering. Once it's done, you can already start posting photos on Instagram, building social media accounts, creating content, and essentially starting to develop your model's online presence. The result turned out great. These photos are already good enough to post on Instagram and start building our model's career. Or you can animate them and turn them into beautiful videos. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to animate our model. All the prompts will be in the description. Thanks for watching.